In this episode of Mike the Truck Nut, we are doing another review video. I know! I love the review videos. I hope you do too, because you know what? We have a new sponsor of the channel. Today, we are going to review the Valencia Tuscany Ultimate Theater Seats. I know! Who can't use a good seat? Because I mean, if you're a guy like me, you got your chair. And when you get home from work, you go and sit in your chair. And you know, it's cushy and cozy. And a man needs a good chair. So Valencia sent me these chairs to review, and we're gonna see if they're as good as my other chair. And quite frankly, my other chair has some issues. I'm a little short, and the padding, it digs into my heels. I mean, and the back is kind of leaning a bit. So anyways, we're gonna do an unboxing video and check it out. Yeah, I'm not gonna say what this is, but it's a box opener. That's what it is. So without further ado, let's open these boxes. Being careful not to cut whatever's inside. Because boy, that would be a pretty bad review. Poor review. That's what it would be, a poor review. So these chairs are supposed to connect together and have, well, let's just see what they have. Boxes are big, and they delivered right to the house, which is why I'm in the garage, because, well, where else are you gonna unbox them? I'll have to take you inside and show you what they're like all set up. Because if this is a true review, we gotta have a nap in it. You can't review a theater seat without having a nap, because you know when you put the movie on, I'm a middle-aged man. Lights go out, so you gotta give it the old nap test. Okay, that's done. These boxes are quite stout. Let's check this one out first. So I think we gotta, I think I need to set it on its side. And when I say on its side, it's actually on its back right now, so it must get shipped on its back. So, let's just do this. Yeah, look at that, it's got a little stand. It's fine. Okay, the staples are really strong. Not that I'm not. Oops. There we go. This is gonna work much better. Oh, hey. That wasn't me, it was the box. There we go. Oh yeah. What do we got down here? Got some anti-skid. Oh, it's fancy! It's fancy! Wow. I think it comes with a plate. Because it's got two cup holders, and then the other chair will connect on. Now they say it's tough for animals, like tougher leather or whatever, which I really hope is the case, because I have 4 cats now and 1 dog. I know, I can't believe it either. This is just sitting on there, so we can do that. Let's try her out. Woo! It's actually pretty good. Oh my gosh. Look at this, armrests that have little shock absorbers. Extension cord. Let's see what this is. I think it must be like a back cover. I read the instructions. I know, I was surprised too, because I'm a man. We don't normally do that sort of thing. But on the front of the box, right here, see, right here, it shows up, flip it over, upside down, don't cut it open, it says, and lift the box up. So that's what we're gonna do. Try flipping it upside down. Ow. There we go. Like that. Another piece of cardboard. And then, don't stand on the cardboard you're trying to lift. Well, that was easy. We've got another back section here. The packaging is really good. That's what I'm saying. The packaging is good. So, that is section number 2. Okay. So now all we got to do is make this hook up to that. Let's get these in the house. We'll set them up and try them out because they got power stuff here. I know. They got USB chargers, USB-C and the USB power, back power, and I don't know what's one and H and I. I don't know what that is, but we're gonna learn.
It's
so.
Memory and the lights.
Oh, memory and lights. There you go. Andrea knows. She knows, man. All right, they're inside. I gotta admit, this one was fairly heavy. Not real bad, but definitely a 2-personer. Well, actually, they're both 2-personer. But this one, not bad at all. And what I really like is the seat backs go onto metal posts. So they're good and sturdy. Because the other chair I have is wood. And you know what happens when a 200-plus svelte man sits on a back that's wood? You know, they sometimes don't hold up. That's all I'm gonna say. So, but if we look at the back, we've got the metal posts. This is your wiring for the back wiring, and then this plate is where those back pieces go. So I'll grab a back and we'll stick it on now. Now we'll put the back on, and it should just slide on. Well, that one was easy. Okay, so it does just push on. I thought these little tabs had to go under, but they actually go on top and then they kind of click. So it's really simple. I just made it more difficult than it needed to be. I overthought it. And then you just plug it in back here, slide this together, and it's got a little snappy clip, and same on this side. So you can't get it backwards. Perfect. So that's done. And now, I think I'll leave this till we get them both hooked together, and these come out, and I'm not exactly sure how this works, but we're gonna find out. And I'm also gonna plug in the extension cord right now because, well, why not do it now while I'm sitting on the floor? And it plugs in just down in the back. And there's a little power switch in the back too, so I did turn the power switch to the off position. There. Now it's plugged in. If we look down here, you can kind of see there's 2 little tabby things, like little arrowheads. So with this chair, we just, hi Brian, this is Brian, he's a cat. We just slide these forks right into that and it clicks the 2 together. And I think we can do that now, and then I'll put the back on after I snap these 2 together. Okay, so we tip the other chair over, put the rubber pads on so that, you know, it doesn't slide around so much. And then this is interesting because this, you can see better the arrows down here, that will go into the little tracks there. And there's little tracks over here so that you can join multiple sets together to make like a whole row of theater seats. So that's pretty cool. Now I'm gonna use it kind of ratchet into place. So that's cool. I'll go throw the other back on and we can plug it in and try it out. Do you approve? How about you, Brian? What do you think? Do you approve? Sully? He's like, yeah, I don't care. Willie's like, I'm just gonna sit here on this armrest for a minute. Well, okay guys, the seats are put together. It really wasn't that difficult, really quite straightforward. You just slip the backs on, plug them in, put the rubber pads on if you have hard floors, and the cats approve. They say that this leather is made more durable for animals, so we're gonna find out. But anyways, let's plug them in and see what they do. Okay, we just plugged them in. Let's give it a test run. Ooh, firm bottom. It's pretty comfy. So we can change the colors of the LEDs. My feet actually aren't touching the floor right now, which is kind of interesting. And since I like red, we're gonna find red. Oh, no, we don't want flashy. There we go. We want red. And let's do this one so it's the same. Oh, and I just passed it. Blue, purple, blue. There we go. Red. So, ooh. Oh, this is winning so far. The nice thing is, it's padded there, and my feet are just over the end. Let's keep going back. Okay, so that works. We got space from the wall. What's this one do? Ooh, it's got lumbar. Oh, and it's got a headrest. Oh, for movies? Okay, so the headrest is power. I've got it right back like that, and you kind of, this would be the good napping position, I think, you know, like this. But the power headrest, if you want to sit back and you're watching movies, I know, Sally, if you're watching a movie, you just tip it forward. I can watch a movie now. Thank you. Fold the seat back. And there we go. Let's just figure out where it's comfy. Yeah, so like if this is your, say this is like your regular relaxed watching TV, then I can push and hold the one button, or I, or whatever it is, and then it's a memory. So if we go back, careful not to get a cat trapped under there. And then we hit our memory button. You can just sit here because, you know, you wouldn't want to have to work too hard. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Real world unboxing and test of the Tuscany Ultimate Theater seats. Totally configurable. You could get a whole row of them if you have the space. I don't have a theater room. A guy might have to build one. And you know, they got little thingies for attachments. And yeah, we're gonna do a test. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna run these for a couple of days, see what it's like, and you know how they're working out, how the family likes it, how the animals affect them. Are we gonna get them scratched all to bejeebers because we have cats? Probably, maybe, but they say it's pet friendly, so we're gonna put it to the test. Stay tuned. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, guys, 5 days later, actually, no, it's not 5 days later, 7 days later, a whole week later, and I gotta say, this chair, i.e. both chairs, are really good. I actually fell asleep in it 3 times this week. It's pretty good. There is photo evidence. About the only thing I don't really care for on these is the fact that these are white. If those were black, it would be pretty much perfect. And the only other thing is you got to get used to using the power buttons. And I invariably, when I want to sit up, I push down, but you'd probably get used to that. Well, you will get used to that. But yeah, they're comfy and they appear to be fairly durable too. So far the cats have jumped up and they haven't even poked holes in the leather. So that's an awesome thing. They say that they're pet friendly. Well, I don't know if pet friendly, but they're durable. And so far they're durable. So big shout out to Valencia for sponsoring this video. And right now I would recommend these seats 9 out of 10. Be a 10 out of 10 if those little white things were black. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe down below, and there'll be more truck content and reviews. Generally, reviews I'll try to have at the beginning of the week. Thanks, guys. See you later. Now I just need to turn some lights on. I got my bevy. Hit this twice. Nope, that's the wrong one. Damn it. Oh, now it's auto doing. Okay. Yeah, well, apparently that's how I like to like. Will it auto go back? No. Okay, well that's, here we go. How's that? Yeah. I love the red. Tuscany Ultimate Leather cedar seatings. I tell you, Sully.
Sully, come here.
Thank you. I don't know. How do I get back? Valencia Tuscany Ultimate Theater Seats. Good enough for your theater, but approved by a cat.